What is up, guys? Today I'm just going to be doing a quick video on how to swap out this mirror glass or just simply remove it and put it back on. This is going to be for 17 and newer Super Duty trucks. I think it's also the same concept for the F150, but I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. But really the only purpose you should have of taking this off would be if yours is scratched or broken. And then if you're trying to, like a lot of people do, paint match these caps, some of the Super Duties come with them chrome or just primed. So people will take them off and get them paint matched. If you do take this glass off, it is much easier to get to the clips that hold this on, because a lot of people have the problem with breaking the clips off the back of these, and then when you get them paint matched and try to put them back on, they don't stay on. So if that's what you're trying to do, it's definitely much easier to get this glass off and release the clips from the inside of the mirror, and that cap will come right off. So let me set up the camera and we'll jump right into getting this glass off. All right, so since it's fairly easy to break this glass, you're just gonna wanna try to be as careful as you can. I mean, obviously, unless it's already broken and that's why you're changing it out. But what I do is I try to push the top of the glass all the way forward, and then I put my hands under it, pop it right out, just like that. Be careful if you have the higher trim trucks, like the Platinum or the Limited, you'll have the blind spot assist, so you wanna unplug that. And then this plug right here will kind of give you a little bit of trouble just because of how small it is. So what I did was I took it's a little Allen key and just pushed it to release it. It's a very small plug, and it's just find something tiny. I tried to use a flathead, it didn't really work that well, so I have this really small Allen key, and that's just how I got mine out. But definitely be careful with these if you have the higher trim trucks. But as you can see, if you're taking this off to remove the mirror cap, you can see the clips are up here. I had broke this one when I had removed mine because I didn't take the glass off to take the cap off. I just pried it off. So you'll see all the clips here. And then the main one that people break, I believe, is on the other side of here. It's like right in the middle of the cap, and that's what a lot of people break by prying them off. But if you take the glass off, it's definitely gonna benefit you to get the cap off and probably save you a lot of clips. I actually had to buy new caps because I had broke too many clips on mine and they just weren't staying on anymore. So let me grab the new glass and then I will show you how to reassemble it. All right, I've got the new glass here. I ordered it off tascaparts.com. I think it was 116 bucks for this, but this is because I have the power fold mirrors and the power telescoping, and then the power adjustable for this. So that's obviously the most expensive one you can get, but if you have like XLT or whatever, I believe this is like 60 bucks. So if you're ordering this piece, just make sure you get the correct one for your truck, or it won't have all these for the features that the mirrors on your truck have. So pretty much we're just going to reassemble it just in the opposite way that we took it off. Plug that in. You actually want this clip to be clipped into this little piece on the actual mirror itself. Put these back in. And then this is kind of difficult to line up, but just kind of get it to fit in the mirror, plastic mirror spot. And you're just gonna want to push it. And it's in there. Obviously, I'm gonna have to adjust it with the opposite side of the truck, but it is in there. Oh, that side's not clipped in all the way. There you go, now it's in there. There's like 3 metal prongs on the back of the mirror, and then there's a couple plastic ones. So just make sure you have them lined up and just give it a good push. As you can see, it's sitting back in the plastic now, so it's definitely in there. You heard it snap in. When you're taking it out and you're putting a lot of pressure on it, it feels like it's gonna break, but just keep both hands on it so you're not snapping one side and cracking the glass, and then it'll pop and those 3 prongs will be out. But that's it for today's video. I will try to do more videos like this. I might actually take the tow mirrors off at some point and get the whole thing paint matched. So I'll do one of those for you, because some of the Super Duties come with the small mirrors and people put the tow mirrors on or upgrade to the power fold ones. So I might do a video on that, but thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope it benefited you guys.